YouTubers, I'm just going to give you a quick update. This is greenhouse number 3. This is the lettuce house number 2, actually. Probably what we'll call it, or greens house. Greens house, because we're growing greens. But anyway, let me turn this around. I'm going to show you what I got. Don't have much time, no editing on this video, so this is just what it is. All right. You can see I got lettuce in here. Lots of troughs to add to it down there. The water wall is ginning. That's one of my fans going. Well, up there. I got another one down here that is drawing the air from down there. That is all you're going to get for this update. This lettuce house is, we're rolling. We got so many farmers markets right now, I can barely keep up anyway. But I got to get this full. I got about 400 starter plants in the greenhouse, and then from our seedling area in the house, I've got over about 600 and I don't know, 600 or 800 seedlings ready to come into the propagation table. All right, this greenhouse, we're cleaning it out, getting all these tomato plants out, getting ready to set it up with some hemp and some cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, and squash. That is what's taking a lot of our time. That's an addition. My mother-in-law and father-in-law are moving in there. That's about a 1,400 square foot addition. Plus I have my mother moving into our 2.5 car garage that I am converting into an apartment. So this is going to be Fensterfarm and Convalescence Center. Anyway, the lettuce house number 1, and everything is beautiful. Got a lot going on in here. So I was telling you before, lots of seedlings in there. Well, there's more like 800 seedlings in here. Anyway, there's 256 in each of those trays, and there's 270. I can't remember. Anyway, in each of those trays, and there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 trays in there. I split one of them in half. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Anyway, that's it for this update. That's Orion. God bless. Go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution, or whatever it takes to grow something. We'll see you next time.